If WhatsApp keeps freezing on your Android phone, don't worry. This is a common issue and can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. First, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can clear up minor bugs and memory glitches that might be causing the app to freeze. Next, check if your device is running low on storage or RAM, as that can also cause apps to freeze. Close unused apps in the background or free up some space to improve performance. If the problem continues, go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find WhatsApp from the list, tap on it, then tap on storage, then clear cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the lag without deleting any of your chats or data. If clearing the cache doesn't help, try clear data as well. But remember, this will log you out of WhatsApp and you will have to sign in again, and your data and chats will be lost if you did not take a backup earlier. Also, make sure your WhatsApp is up to date by visiting the Google Play Store and checking for any available updates. Outdated versions can often freeze or crash due to compatibility issues. If it's still freezing, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it from the Play Store. Just be sure to back up your chats before you uninstall. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Android fix tutorials.